the aftermath. Happy 4th, everybody. Had a few blow-ups. Had this proline fan cake blow apart. Roaring peacocks blew all the way apart. Them tubes was everywhere. Had that no, I'm not fire. What was this? A consumer fan cake, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Or a zipper. What Happens in Vegas by Miracle, I think. It blew all the way apart. There's some fan bits over here. It was a good show. For the most part, everything went well. You know, it happened. Only a few blow up and everything's good. I'll consider it a success. Happy 4th of July, everybody.